Hello everybody, my name is Chan. I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 offline style using a JavaScript way. First we do, we press the Control button, Control+Shift and J. Oh, look at that. That worked. Now you type in the following command. Make sure I spell it correctly. Oh, okay. JS.Application.restart. Ah, look. Who uses PC? And Chan. So now we create a local account. Secure. I'm going to put no password here. Oh, that was quick. No for tracking. There you go. That's how you create an offline file JavaScript style. Tell me what you think. I hope you like this video and thank you for viewing. And Chan out.